The girl who was looking for a man in finance might have ruined her life by signing a record deal. And this is how record labels turn influencers into cash cows to profit for themselves. So if you don't already know, this girl made a TikTok where she sang into the phone and the lyrics went, "I'm looking for a man in finance, trust fund 6'5" with blue eyes." And her intention was to make a fun video for DJs to remix, and it worked. Even guys like David Guetta had gone on to remix her song for live performances. And since then, the record industry has signed her to a music contract. And usually when you sign a deal with a record label, they give you upfront advance money. Now, we don't know how much they paid her. It could be $100,000 or up to $1 million. Now, that number has not been confirmed, but the reason why people are saying she might be throwing her life away is because signing a record deal, as most of you know, rarely works out. And what the record label's intention is to give you upfront money that you're gonna owe back, so the money is not free. They collect the money through royalties off streams. Now, this girl's not an artist, though she does have one song that's gotten a couple million streams. You can see right here, the following does not reflect the music quality, meaning she got 2 million views on the song, but only has 1,800 followers. This is not a massive or super successful act worthy of being signed by a record label. So what I think the record label's intention is to sign her to a deal and management. They're going to get her the deals, take their 15 to 20% management cut of those brand deals, and then the rest of the money that should be going to her is going to be paid back to the label, repaying the loan that they give her as an artist for her signing advance. And because she's not a musical artist, how is she going to really put out songs that are going to garner her enough to be an actual successful act? So if you're not a music artist, definitely don't sign a contract with a record label.